Hello everyone, I am your art and craft teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn round pouch. You can even share your ideas with me. I am very happy to share my idea with you. Please, once again, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe means you touch the subscribe word and bell icon so you can see my new ideas. If you don't have stitching machine, then you can stitch it with needle and thread. It is very easy. It's very simple and easy to make. This is a very simple basic idea. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Rehana Merchant 7 and Rehana Art Classes. You can see there my students' work and my work. Now you have to flip the inside part out. If you want to learn this, so you can see my previous video. Take good care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will be back with another exciting topic of drawing. Thank you very much.